In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a PST file in Outlook. So here I am in the new Outlook application. From here, if you want to open a PST file, what you can do is that you can go to File, go to Settings, and from here, go to Data Files. Then from here, you can import and open the data files right here. Then what you can do is open a PST file is that you could just immediately click Add File right here, or you could also go to Import and then click and get started. So whichever one you use will be fine. I'm just going to use Import. And then as you could see right here, Outlook data file.dat. And if you're wondering what PST files are basically like a backup of your Outlook account. So for example, it has an offline copy of all your emails in your inbox. So from here, you can add that as a local backup account right here in your Outlook application. So from here, click Get Started, and then I'll go. I'm going to go ahead and click Select File. So from here, it automatically opened the File Explorer. Then you can go ahead and navigate to your account with your PST file. To your folder that has your PST file saved. Then, for example, I'll just use my PST file right here for my other accounts. I'm just going to use this one, inboxbackup.pst, and from here, that should now be selected. Now you can see it is selected, and now it is also immediately added. From here, it just has the deleted items in inbox folder. But from here, click Next. For duplicate items, I prefer to keep them both so that I can review them and delete them manually. Then click Next again. Then from here, you can choose a destination folder. For example, I'm going to use MHM. My work folder right here as an example. Then click Import. Now it's imported to the mailbox. We'll just wait for that to finish, and now it's finished. So from here, I also have the Outlook data file added right here immediately when I imported it. Then, since I imported it into a work folder that I did earlier, I can go to that account. And then when I go to the work folder, as you could see, I now have the copy of the email right here as well. So that is how we can open a PST file in the new version of Outlook. And if you are using the classic version of Outlook, we can also do that. From here, here's the classic version of Outlook. Then what we need to do is we just need to go to File, and then from here, go to Open, Export, and then click Import/Export. Click Import from another program or file, and then click Next, and then choose PST. From here, you just need to go to the location of your PST file again. Let's say I use another PST file. So for example, this sends items back up. Click Open from here. I'm going to allow duplicates to be created, but you can use other options if you want. Then click Next. Let's just wait for it to finish loading. And now that it's finished, and then it says select the folder to import from, I'm going to use the main Outlook data file right here, then click Finish. From here, you'll just wait for it to finish loading. Right now, it says importing, and then it should be fixed. So it should now be added right here. Then what you can do, instead of going to Import Export, you can just use this one, Open Outlook data file immediately. You can use that, and then from here, just go to the location of your PST file. So here's the location of my PST files. Then let's use another one. So let's say this one now. To explain it in a back box up, then from here, it will now be opened immediately. So it says nothing in the right folder. So it is still loading right here as well. So you just need to wait for that to finish, and then it should now open right here. But that is basically it. So that is how we open a PST file, both in the classic version of Outlook and the new version of Outlook. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.